Welcome back to our garden channel where we explore the fascinating world of plants and their incredible diversity. Today we're going to dive into the unique characteristics and uses of Barbara Tingey Oregano. Barbara Tingey Oregano, named after renowned horticulturist Barbara Tingey, is a special variety of oregano that has gained popularity for its exceptional flavor and aroma. This cultivar, known for its beautiful foliage and delicate pink flowers, was developed through careful selection and breeding, resulting in a unique herb with a rich history. Barbara Tingey Oregano features beautiful deep green leaves with a slightly fuzzy texture. The leaves are oval shaped and emit a distinct fragrance when crushed, reminiscent of a blend of oregano and thyme. In addition to its foliage, this herb produces charming clusters of delicate pink flowers that add a touch of beauty to its ornamental appearance. Barbara Tingey Oregano thrives in full sun to partial shade and prefers well-draining soil. It is relatively drought tolerant once established, making it suitable for various climates. Regular watering and occasional pruning help maintain its compact shape and encourage new growth. With the right conditions, this herb will flourish and provide you with an abundant harvest of flavorful leaves and delightful flowers. Barbara Tingey Oregano is an excellent companion plant in the garden. Its aromatic leaves act as a natural repellent for pests such as aphids and spider mites, making it a beneficial addition to vegetable gardens. Additionally, it attracts beneficial insects like bees and butterflies, enhancing pollination and promoting overall garden health. Planting Barbara Tingey Oregano alongside vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants can help deter pests and improve the flavor of neighboring plants. Barbara Tingey Oregano is highly regarded for its culinary uses. Its leaves possess a robust flavor that is often described as a blend of oregano and thyme with a slightly peppery undertone. It is a versatile herb that adds depth and complexity to a variety of dishes, including pasta sauces, soups, stews, and marinades. Fresh or dried, Barbara Tingey Oregano will elevate your culinary creations and bring a burst of Mediterranean-inspired flavor to your table. And that concludes our exploration of Barbara Tingey Oregano. We hope you found this information inspiring, informative, and helpful in your gardening adventures. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos on gardening and farming. Happy growing!